In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do this Disney Princess Glow Up. Stay tuned. The first thing I'm doing is starting on a new layer. I'm going to work on fixing the hair shape. So you want to color select the same hair color that she already has, and then I'm going on to a nice solid brush and I'm adding the hair shape that I would like. I'm doing this by making some basic outlines first, and then I'm going in to fill it with a solid color. To give the hair some texture and some directional flow, you want to create some lines throughout. Color select the dark color that is found in the hair, and then with a tapered brush, I'm going in and adding some more lines to give the hair some shape, some flow, and a little bit more dimension. You want to make these lines throughout the big sections of hair as well as outlining the hair. Throughout the outlining process, I'm alternating between the dark brown color that's present in the hair as well as a black color. Now I'm moving on to the makeup. Once again with a tapered brush, I'm going in with a black color and drawing a really thick, dramatic eyeliner. You can do this as thick or thin as you'd like. I think it just gives a nice dramatic change from the original picture. I'm now going in and drawing a couple of eyelashes and making them pretty thick, just so it gives a nice dramatic effect. The next step I'm doing is adding some white highlights to the inner corner of the eyes as well as the nose. Now moving on to the lips. You want to once again color select the lip color and draw bigger lips to your desired size. I'm now moving on to the arms. I want to get rid of the big poofy dress, so I'm grabbing the color from the skin and I'm drawing on top of the dress. When removing background elements from your picture, it's important that you make good use of the smudge tool. This is very important so that whatever color you're covering over a certain object will blend into the colors around it. Even if you color select something as close to the color as you'd like, sometimes pictures have a multiple array of colors nearby, so you want to go ahead and cover it over, smudge it, and then you might realize you're revealing some parts of the hidden part that you wanted to cover up. So add some more color, keep on smudging, add some more color, keep on smudging until you're happy with the final appearance. I'm now going in and changing the color of the dress, so just selecting a nice royal blue, you need to be on a new layer, color over it, and then change your overlay. So I changed it to multiply, and then I'm just going in and erasing some spots where I accidentally went out of bounds earlier. But on a new layer, I want to change it up a little bit more and add some more circles so it looks like an earring that's dropping down, kind of giving it a new design. To make it look more realistic and not as cartoonish, I'm adding different hues of blue. I'm now going in with a light gray and making a very natural shaped pendant necklace on the chest. You want to make sure that there's some movement to it, that there's no straight lines, because a necklace wouldn't fall perfectly straight on someone's chest. I'm now making a raindrop, teardrop shape for the pendant. You can go ahead and add a little bit of shadow underneath the necklace, and you can also add a flare on the pendant itself so that it looks like it's shining. And there you have it. This is how you can do your own Disney TikTok transformation video. Hope you enjoyed.